All right, welcome back. It's time to close out the week with our own Shannon Becker and his 3 big stories.
Live, local, and then we put them in order the most watched.
Countdown.
How about that? Okay.
Yeah.
Number 3, Joplin News First. A man is now charged with a shooting on West 20th Street in the Cecil Floyd neighborhood of Joplin. Breaking news. There he is. He doesn't look very happy, does he?
No.
He was wanted now, obviously, in jail and charged. We're talking about related to a shooting. A man was shot in the leg, kind of the upper thigh the other day. Already been released from an area hospital, but these are some serious charges he's facing. Our number 2 story, Joplin News First, Big 3. It was the SWAT tank from the Joplin Police Department. They were in the Royal Heights neighborhood. Standoff lasted about an hour and a half the other day. It was a man inside a residence, barricaded, wanted on warrants for homicide and other crimes in the Kansas City, Missouri area. He was taken into custody without incident, and Captain William Davis of the Joplin Police Department thanked the negotiators for their good work.
Did this affect school at all that day?
No, school was already out when it kind of all started rumbling around. And then our number 1 story. Our good friend Debbie, who works here at the TV station, saw this on the way to work. It was on the Missouri-Kansas line, the old Northeast 96 highway in Kansas, but in Missouri it's called State Route YY. It's Missouri State Highway Patrol Trooper Jeff Pruitt there. He's taking a close look at that tractor trailer which overturned with about 800 turkey souls on board. There's a couple of them there. They're friendly, they're sweet. Only a few of the turkeys died there on the scene. Surprisingly, I've seen this happen before where only 1 turkey died. They're all in cages and stuff. So the driver was not injured. The human driver, he was not injured in the crash also.
And don't feel too bad about the turkeys. They were on their way.
Yes, they were on their way to a place where, you know, they were getting ready to cross the Rainbow Bridge. All of them together.
early turkey dinners.
I don't know. Okay, anyway, sorry. So M&M Record set that up right. It was all cleared about 10 o'clock that morning. And then our bonus story of the week. This is something that's fun. How about the drive-in? It was built in 1949. So this would be the 74th year since it was built, the 66 drive-in. There used to be dozens on Route 66. Now there's only 2 left in the whole country along the route. That's back in the 50s. You can see that's a super cool picture, taking it back. And then with the magic of television, look, ta-da! Looks the exact same, doesn't it? They have neon from back then. I mean, it's super cool.
When I moved here 17 years ago, I was excited to see that there was not just 1, but 2 drive-ins in this four-state area. Yeah, like, because I grew up going to the Dodge City Drive-In, which is still there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, I mean, that's exciting to see that there are a few of them out there.
Yeah, just a few. So they'll show a double feature this weekend, Shazam 2 and Creed 3. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I understand Saturday and Sunday weather is going to be pretty phenomenal.
Yeah. It might be a little chilly Saturday night.
Oh, well, that's why you bring the blankets,
yes.
you know?
Bring your blankets.
It's romantic, see, right?
And don't want to forget, Barco Drive-In is open this weekend as well.
Right.
And they're showing Dungeons and Dragons.
Okay.
And a movie called 65.
I do not know what that is. So, but Barco, that's on 160, I think.
Lamar.
Yep. That's your bonus, the big 3, Joplin News First.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in, and we'll see you next week.
Yep. We'll have another big 3.
All right. We'll be right back.